When you think business, what comes to your mind? Do you get gripped by the initial fear of starting a business from scratch? Or do you melt in anticipation of the endless possibilities the business world has to offer? Whichever it is, the Industry Miner is here to make your journey through entrepreneurship easy, smooth, and fun. With our published book that encompasses all the intricacies of constructing a business, right from the legal framework to the social framework to staffing masterminds and every single detail you need to conduct your in-house staff at the highest level of professionalism possible, down to our video series that carefully breaks down all you need to know about profit maximization, record keeping, evolvement, and venturing. I tell you for free, the Industry Miner is your perfect roadmap to success. Not only will it provide the direction you need, it will serve as a fast way to catapult that brilliant idea you have envisaged to the highest level possible. Join the industry mining movement. Let's help you turn that brilliant idea into a transgenerational gold mine. Thank you.